Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Then. Today in this particular video we shall continue our exercise 16.1. In our previous video we have an introduction of the chapter and also we have solved some few problems. In this particular video we shall continue from question number 3. So let's start solving the questions. So here our third question is the perimeter of a regular hexagon is 192 centimeter. How long is its each side? That means we have a perimeter of a regular hexagon. First of all, perimeter is what? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary, and hexagon means what? It is a closed figure having 6 sides. Okay, and a regular hexagon means what? All the sides are equal. So first of all, let us draw one hexagon. Hexagon means what? Have a closed figure having 6 sides, right? So this is our hexagon. Okay. Now the its all sides are same, isn't it? So let's denote the length of each side as L. Okay. Now its perimeter is what? Sum of all the sides. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is sum of the 6L. That means L plus L plus L plus L. What it will be? It will be 6L. That means perimeter of regular hexagon is 6L. Okay. Now let's start the solving. So first thing we'll write solution. Clear? Okay. Then we have to write given what perimeter, right? Given perimeter of a regular hexagon equals 192 centimeter. Clear? This information is given in our question. Now we will write since perimeter of regular hexagon equals 192 centimeter. Now we know perimeter of regular hexagon is what? 6L, isn't it? 6L equals 192 centimeter. Now here what we have to find? We have to find length of each side, that is L. If we find the length of L, we can say what is the length of side of the hexagon. So for finding L, okay, we have to keep it in one side, right? And the remaining thing we have to change their side. So here what is the remaining thing? It is 6. Now look, 6 is what? 6 is in which relation with L? That is either 6 is multiplied or divided, or it is added or subtracted. It is multiplied with L, isn't it? 6L. That means 6 times of L, isn't it? Okay. So now 6 is multiplied, right? So when we change the side, and if there is multiplication, it becomes division, divide. So when we change the side, this 6 will be divided. So let's write L equals 192 upon 6. Clear? Okay. Now let's cancel this 192 with 6. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is how much? 18. Then 1 left. 1, 2. 6 into 2 is 12. L equals 32 centimeter. Clear? Now if you add 32 6 times, that is 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32, it will be 192 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So at last we will write therefore length of each side is 32 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. How we have to find the perimeter formula? If it is given of decagon, deca means what? 10 sides, right? Okay. If it is decagon, regular decagon, we have to what we'll use the formula what 10L. If it is octagon, that is 8 side 8L, like this. Okay, any closed figure we can find their perimeter very easily. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 4. So next question is, a piece of string is 48 centimeter long. What will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle, a regular hexagon? In question it says that we have a piece of string. Okay, for example, consider rope. We have a piece of rope whose length is 48 centimeter. Clear? We have a piece of rope whose length is 48 centimeter. Now using that rope, we have made square, then we have made equilateral triangle, then we made a regular hexagon. Okay, clear? Now we have to find the length of each side of square, equilateral triangle or regular hexagon. Okay, for consider you consider this is our required string. Clear? This is our required string. Okay, now if we consider this length is how much, 48 centimeter. Now if we made a square, for example like this, if we made a square, clear? We have made a square, isn't it? If we made a square like this, its perimeter will be what? Its perimeter will be the length of the string, isn't it? This length is how much? This total length is 48 centimeter, and we have made a square with the help of this string. Okay, its perimeter will be what? The perimeter of the square will be the length of the string, isn't it? Okay, so now if we know the perimeter, we can easily find out their length of their side. So let's start the solution. First of all, we write solution, right? Then we have to write given length of string. Length of string equals 48 centimeter, right? Then we'll add one line. We'll write since the string is transformed to various shapes, therefore length of the string will be the perimeter of each shape. Clear? Since the string is transformed to various shapes, therefore the length of the string will be the perimeter of each shape. Okay, that means what, we have transformed the string, right? We have make various shapes with the help of the string whose length is 48 centimeter. Now if we so the total length of the figure will be what? The length of the figure will be the length of the string. Okay, so now let's find out perimeter of square. Clear? That is what? Sorry, perimeter, not side of the square. So then we'll write number 1 square. It is already there, right? So we'll write perimeter of square of square equals length of string, right? Okay. Now perimeter of square formula is what? 4L, isn't it? Length of string is what? 48 centimeter. Now we have to find L, right? So this 4 is multiplied with L. So when we change the side, it will be divide. So we write L equals 48 upon 4. Now 4 1 4 4 1 2. Clear? So L equals how much? 12 centimeter. Clear? L means what? Side of the square. So we'll write therefore side of square equals 12 centimeter. Clear? Now let's do our second one, that is an equilateral triangle. So in we'll write number 2, an equilateral triangle. Then we'll write perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equals length of string. Now perimeter of triangle formula is what? Perimeter of triangle, it is 3L, right? Equilateral triangle. So we'll write 3L equals 48. So this L 3 will change the side, right? Will change the side and it will become L equals 48 upon 3. Now we have to cancel 3 into 1 3, 3 into 1 3 1 8, 3 into 6 18. Clear? So it is 16 centimeter. So we will write therefore side of triangle. Therefore side of triangle is 16 centimeter. Clear? These are very easy questions. Okay. Now we'll write our find the side of a regular hexagon. So we'll write number 3. Perimeter of hexagon. Clear? Perimeter of hexagon is what? Perimeter hexagon means what? Hexagon 6 side, right? So it's a regular hexagon, isn't it? Because look here, a regular hexagon, that means all sides are equal. So we'll write perimeter of regular hexagon. Perimeter of hexagon equals length of string. Now hexagon has 6 sides, so it will be 6L. So it will be 48 upon 6. Clear? Now 48 upon 6 is what? 6 into 7. 6 8, sorry, 6 into 8 is 48. Clear? So it is 48 centimeter. So we'll write therefore side of hexagon is 8 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you how to find the sides, right? This only different thing in the question is what we have to think it, right? Here it is given that a string is transformed into the following shapes. So we have to think that is if a string if the string is used to made any shape, its perimeter will be what? The perimeter of the shape will be length of the string. We have to just know this fact. Okay. Now the length of the string is given, so we will know what will be the perimeter, isn't it? Now if we know the perimeter, we can easily find out the length of their sides. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 5. So here our question is a rectangular piece of land measures 0.5 kilometer by 0.3 kilometer. That means length of the rectangular field is 0.5 kilometer and its breadth is 0.3 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 3 rows of wire. That means all the side of the field is to be fenced, right? What is the length of the wire needed? Now fencing means what? For example, let us consider this is our rectangular field. this is our rectangular field. Okay, now we have to fence, that is we have to suppose fencing means in our previous class I have told to uh, develop certain, for example, boundary wall. Okay, we want to give boundary wall. That means when we will give boundary wall, suppose A, B, C and D, we will start from A, then we will end it again at A, right? That means it has covered the all the sides of the field, that is it has covered the perimeter, right? Clear? Now think, will we give boundary from A to B, then this side will remain open, then from C to D, will it do we give boundary wall like this? No, we don't give, right? We have to give boundary wall from all the sides. Okay, A from A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Okay, we must not keep any space left, otherwise through this space anything may enter to your home. Okay, so now this is considered, this is our that is a rectangular piece of land whose length is 0.5 kilometer and breadth is 0.3 kilometer. Okay, now each side is to be fenced with 3 rows of wire. Okay, now I think you must have seen, suppose there will be poles, right? There will be poles. Now how many rows? It will be covered 3 rows. First at the bottom 1 row, then in middle another row, then at the top another row, like this. 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows. Okay, 3 rows of wire. That means we have to consider how many perimeter? We have to consider 3 perimeters, right? Okay, so first of all let us find one perimeter, and then if we multiply with 3, then it will be the total length, that is it will be the length of the wires. So let's find out, let's start our solution. We'll let solution, then given length of rectangle, comma L equals 0.5 kilometer, then breadth of rectangle, comma B equals 0.3 kilometer. Clear? Now we have to find what? We have to find the length of wire, right? So we have to find now length of wire needed, in 1 row. Mind it, length of wire needed in 1 row, okay, will be what? Will be perimeter of the field, right? Of the field. Now perimeter of the field is what? 2 into length plus breadth. Now in place of 2 we write 2, in place of L, what is L? 0.5 plus 0.3, clear? Unit kilometer. Up to this clear? Okay. And then we have to add 0.5 and 0.3. So if we add 0.5 and 0.3, what will be the result? 0.8, right? So we'll write 2 into 0.8. Now 2 into 0.8 is how much? 1.6 kilometer, isn't it? Yes. So this is what 1.6 kilometer is length of the wire. Length of the wire in 1 row. Okay. Now we have to, how many rows we have? We have 3 rows. So we write therefore total length of wire in 3 row. We write therefore total length of wires needed. Total length of wires needed in 3 rows equals how much? 3 into 1.6. 3 into 1.6 is how much? 4.8 kilometer, right? This one is very easy questions, isn't it? Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let us move to our next question, that is question number 6. So our next question is about a table. Okay, here a tabletop measures 2 meter 15 centimeter by 1 meter 25 centimeter. What is the perimeter of the tabletop? That is, here the table is of rectangular in shape. So first of all, let us draw one rectangle. Suppose this is our top of our rectangle table. Okay, and let us give it name as A, B, C and D. Its length is how much? 2 meter 15 centimeter. 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Okay, and breadth is 1 meter 15 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the tabletop. So very easy. We will use the perimeter of rectangle and then it will come out. So first let us write the information given. Length of given length of rectangular table. Length of rectangular table equals how much? Comma L equals 2 meter 15 centimeter. Now there are two units, right? One is in meter, another centimeter. Let's convert this 2 meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is how much? 1 meter is 100 centimeter. 2 meter is how much? Then 2 meter will be 200 centimeter. That is 200 centimeter 15 centimeter means what? 215 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now breadth of a rectangular table. Breadth of rectangular table, comma B equals 1 meter 15 centimeter. Similarly, we will convert it into centimeter. That means 115 centimeter. Clear? Now we have length as well as breadth, which are in centimeters. Now we have to find their perimeter. That is perimeter of the tabletop. So its formula will be what? Two into length plus breadth, isn't it? So right. Now perimeter of table top equals 2 into length plus breadth unit. Now 2 is 2, value of length is what? 215 plus 115, unit is what? Centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now let's add 215 with 115. It will be what? 2 into 330, right? 330, right? 550, then 1123, 213. Now it is how much? 660 centimeter. So these are very easy questions, right? Just put the perimeter formula and then you can easily find out. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 7. Okay, so here the question is, two sides of a triangle are 18 centimeter. Two sides of a triangle are 18 centimeter and 13 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 42 centimeter. Find its third side. Yes, this is a bit different type of questions, right? So this is this question is talking about triangle and its sides. So first of all, let us draw one triangle. Suppose this is our required triangle. Okay, A, B, C. Now what is given? Two sides of the triangle are 18 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Suppose consider this side is 18 centimeter, this side is 13 centimeter, and the perimeter of the triangle is perimeter equal to 42 centimeter. Find its third side, that is we have to find this side. So let equals x. Okay, clear? Now we know perimeter is what? Perimeter is sum of all the sides, right? That is sum of AB plus BC plus CA. We know it. Clear? But here and this total sum is given how much? That is perimeter is given how much? 42. Clear? Okay. Now it will be very much easy, right? Now this 42 will be what? 42 is perimeter, and sum of 18 plus 30, that is sum of AC plus BC plus BA is also, it will also be 42, isn't it? Because 42 is the perimeter. Now perimeter means what? It is the sum of all these sides, that is sum of this. So 18 plus 13, 18 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus x centimeter will be how much? It will be 42 centimeter. Clear? Because both of them are perimeter of same triangle. If they are the perimeter of same triangle, then they will be same definitely. So we will use that relation and find out the value of x. So let us write solution. Then given two sides of triangle, that is given length of AB or AC, length of AC equals 18 centimeter, length of BC or CB, length of CB equals how much? 13 centimeter. Then perimeter of triangle ABC equals how much? 42 centimeter. Clear? Now we have to find what? We have to find length of AB. So we will write since perimeter of triangle ABC equals 42 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle means what? Sum of all the sides. That is, and this is not an equilateral triangle, so we will not use the formula 3, right? Rather we will use AB plus BC plus CA. Clear? Okay. So let's write AC plus CB plus BA equals 42 centimeters. Clear? Okay. Now we will just put the values of AB and CB. So value of AC is how much? 18 centimeter. Then value of CB is how much? In place of CB we are writing 13 centimeter plus BA we have to find, right? So that BA equals how much? 42 centimeter. Now 18 centimeter plus 13 centimeter is how much? 8, 9, 10, 11, 31 centimeter plus BA equals 42 centimeter. Now what it will be? It will be subtract, right? It will be minus, because it in this side it is plus. So it will be BA equals 42 centimeter minus 31 centimeter. Now 42 centimeter minus 31 centimeter is how much? How much re? 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 1 centimeter. Now if you add, that is we have find out the value of this side, right, which is 11 centimeter. Now if you add 18, 13 and 11, you will find 42. Left side, look, 18, 13, 11, 8 plus 3, how much? 11 plus 1, 12, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 42. Clear? Very good. So we will write therefore length of the third side is 11 centimeter. I hope you have enjoyed this question, right? This one is a bit different type of questions. So this is for today's class, and the remaining we will continue in our next class. Stay safe, stay blessed, and meet in our next class.